back from a couple of trips to California. A couple of packages for video review. Let's see what we got here. This is a WARSUN LED flashlight, T9 Pro model. Let's take a look. Oh, it's already charged. Really nice. It has a blue light. It has an emergency light on the side and a main light. Wow, this is really powerful, and this is magnetic. So I'm gonna try it later tonight. It has this nice liner to hang it. Let's try to put it on here. There it is. And USB-A to USB-C wire to charge. Here's the port. Can charge already, so we don't need to do much on it. Well, here I am in the south of Chile, and I brought this amazing little flashlight. Let's turn it on because you can see how dark it's here. So the controls are here on the side, and there it is, already on. Different settings. We have a side light, an emergency light, which will be really good if we were on the road because it has the magnet and it can be attached to the car. So that's another added bonus of that. Oh, it has a blue light too, but let's go out with a regular light. Look how powerful this is. And this light also has a clip here on the side. I think I already showed it on the unboxing. So look at the difference with the light, without the light. There's really not a wildlife here in this part of Chile. So there's no grizzlies or anything. It's just a beautiful place. We have a volcano out there. And that's the house. You can see we built a fire pit today. That was our little project. So let's go over here and keep demonstrating the different settings. This one on the side is really good. Let's say you want a short light here. Wow, and it's super bright. Main light again. And here's our fire pit that we built. We have another light there. So this is our setup for tonight. This is the WARSUN T9 Pro 3.0 flashlight. Here's a demonstration of the emergency light on a baseball hat with a clip. But we can change that setting at the side light. So you can see how practical this is. So you can walk around and use your hand, just work on whatever you're doing. So as a demonstration, look how dark this is without this one. Point that way, please. This is with the WARSUN lamp on the baseball hat. Pretty cool. So here it is, the WARSUN LED flashlight T9 Pro. So I can hold it here around my hand if I'm walking with it. But again, the main thing is this clip to attach on your hat, baseball hat, so you're working or just to carry it around. Thumbs up.